Aspen's going pee right now with the broken toilet that she hates. I'm just waiting for her to come out and be surprised. She's taking an awfully long time.
It's not even working, it's so stupid.
She says, "Gay, it's not even working, it's so stupid." I don't know if you could hear that. That's why I said go pee first and then do it. Works better that way. Oh, there's the schizo cat. Here it comes to eat your brains out. You. Oh, she's done now. She's coming. Oh, she's washing her hands. That's probably a good thing. Good hygiene. I like a girl with good hygiene. How long does it take someone to go pee? Just a simple task. Peeing. Who knew? It could take so long.
Are you recording me?
No, I'm just watching this thing about Nick. Hi, beautiful.
Thanks.